Hi, I'm Terry from Heron Instruments. Today we're going to demonstrate how to use the Heron Series 1700 Conductivity Plus water level meter. The Conductivity Plus enables accurate measurements of conductivity, temperatures, and water level in wells, boreholes, standpipes, and estuaries where salt water intrusion and contamination levels become a concern. Conductivity can be an early indicator of changes in the water system due to fluctuations of salinity in water. An LCD screen displays conductivity values up to 80,000 microsiemens and temperature ranges from 0 to 50 degrees Celsius. Let's go over the features and advantages and how to properly use the Conductivity Plus. To protect the Conductivity Plus and ease of transport in the field, the unit comes packed in a free backpack carry case. Not only will it hold your meter, but there are pockets for the laptop and notepads. Now we'll go over the different features of the Conductivity Plus. The powder-coated steel frame with the vinyl holding grip is strong and sturdy and easy to hold. The nylon fiber composite plates are installed on a center hub with stainless ball bearings. This allows for smooth movement while milling the tape up and down the well. Between the two plates you will find the premium yellow steel tape that Heron is famous for. This tape is coated in polyethylene to protect the markings under it for many years. The tape comes in either metric or imperial markings. The imperial markings are in an engineering scale. The tape has a dog bone profile, meaning that it's rounded on either side and flat in the center, which helps eliminate sticking to the side of the casing. There is a shear pin style linkage above the probe, which will break away if your probe gets stuck in the well. Better to save your expensive tape and lose your inexpensive probe, both of which are modular and replaceable as shown in our parts list. The built-in hanger and tape guide is an ideal solution for hanging your unit on the side of the well and for protecting your tape from the sharp well casing edge. On the back of the frame you will find the brake knob. Loosen the brake when you are lowering the tape down the well. At any time you need to stop the tape, simply tighten the brake. The electronic panel is modular and removable in case it needs to be replaced. The circuitry on the back of the panel is coated to protect it from water and the elements. The 9-volt battery is easy to change by simply sliding out the battery drawer. We suggest you always carry an extra 9-volt battery in your backpack just in case. The red power button will turn the unit on and off. The digital display located in the center of the panel will display the conductivity and temperature values. The LED light will indicate when water has been reached. To calibrate the unit, push the calibration button. The Conductivity Plus comes with a fully submersible, removable probe. This probe is used to detect water level, conductivity, and temperature. When you lower the probe into water, the unit will start to sound immediately. This will indicate the top of the water level, which can be read from the tape. Conductivity value will be shown on the display screen. Please note that on the probe, the white surface with the two rings need to be fully submerged in water to obtain a signal. The 0 point starts here to the first foot or meter mark. The temperature sensor is located here. Before going out in the field, you should always test your unit. First, test the battery by pressing and releasing the red power button. A brief message will appear indicating firmware version. The digital display will then update with the conductivity and temperature readings. If the unit does not turn on, replace the 9-volt battery. The probe will synchronize with the display panel after 4 seconds. Place the probe in tap water. The unit will emit a short audio and a visual indication, and the display will update with temperature and conductivity readings. Remove the probe from the water. The unit will emit an intermittent 3-second audio and visual indication. Before each measurement session, meaning a full day in the field, you should calibrate the Conductivity Plus. The full video on how to calibrate your conductivity meter can be found on our website. When you're in the field, hang the unit on the side of the casing. Then run the tape over the tape guide. Press and release the red power button. A brief message will appear indicating firmware version. The digital display will then update with conductivity and temperature readings. Slowly lower the probe until a solid 3-second light and tone. This indicates the presence of water. Take a note of the measurement markings on the tape. This is the static water level. After 3 seconds, the display updates with the temperature and conductivity values. Allow 60 seconds for the readings to stabilize. Continue to lower the probe and take readings of temperature and conductivity at any desired depths. When the probe is removed from the water, the unit will emit an intermittent 3-second audio and visual indication. To turn off the Conductivity Plus meter, press and hold the power button until Power Off appears on the digital display. Please note that the meter will also power off automatically after 5 minutes of reading 0 microsiemens. So this is how you use the Heron Conductivity Plus meter. If you have any questions, you can contact us through our website at heroninstruments.com. Thank you for watching.